Oh man, it taxes better with bigger wheels.
I bet.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, I'm gonna go out there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, check your controls.
Yeah.
Preston, what's this model called?
The Flite Test G-44 Widgeon.
G-44?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's called the Goose. We call it the Goose.
We call it the Goose.
Yeah.
Aileron's right.
Yep. That one's going up.
That's up. Okay, that's now. Okay, there you go.
All right. Ready. For me, their rates are a little too much.
Okay. Have you got it on low rates or high rates?
I set my elevator to low. It's a little nose up. See that?
Okay.
Can you give me some down? Down trim?
Down?
Yeah.
Yeah, try to keep it in close.
Yeah.
Try. What do you think?
I need to lower my rates just a little bit.
It's better than yesterday.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Much more plywood, okay?
Well, it looks good. Looks like you got good command of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm using less rates than I'd like to, so I'm going to lower them just a little bit.
So next slide, yeah, you can lower it.
I'll be comfortable with it next flight. I'll bring it in closer.
Thing is real looking in the end.
Yeah.
Now, Flite Test is normally kit planes, so did this come all assembled? And
So yeah, 2 screws for the tail and everything put together magnetic. So,
okay.
and it's got 2 little pins to hold on the wing.
Motors and everything was already pre-mounted, and
Oh yeah,
servos?
they're all in place on the wing when it comes in the box.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And just looking at it, I mean,
It
looks like you could take the gear off and actually fly it off the water.
Oh yeah, it's got.
You might need some wing stabilizers out on the tips, but.
Oh yeah, it comes with them.
Oh, it does. Okay.
It does, yeah. So it's got underneath it, it's like plastic. I think.
Yeah.
You can take it off of snow even.
Huh.
Without the gear on it.
Yeah, I had not known about this plane at all until you brought it out.
It's pretty new actually. They just came out with it recently.
So,
I've been flying for 2 minutes.
Okay.
Or 3 minutes rather.
I don't want to pick it up because you ran out of batteries, okay?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm on low rates on my ailerons, and it's still a little tad much for what I fly on. It's really smooth. It's pretty quiet too.
Yeah, it looks good, man.
You got plenty of power?
Plenty.
Okay.
I'm just not gonna go crazy with it just yet. After I get my trim set.
It uses a 3-cell or 4-cell?
That's a 3-cell 22.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Can go up to 3,000 on 3-cell.
Do you recall roughly what the price point is on these?
I didn't purchase that. My uncle. How much did you pay?
Well,
It's a long story. I paid $229 for it.
that's the retail?
Yeah.
You got to furnish a receiver.
Yeah, you gotta get a receiver.
Put a 4-channel spectrum in it. I ordered everything.
Yeah.
One of the write-ups said it was a better flying plane than that Twin Otter I wanted.
In the Otter, yeah.
Yeah, and probably about the same price point, so, pretty close to it.
Well, the Twin Otter comes with a receiver, so this one's a little bit higher.
I'm flying about 50-60% throttle right now.
Yeah, it looks good. It really does.
Yeah, except when I go faster, everything's more sensitive. I'm just gonna lower my expo and all that for a little bit. Okay, I'll bring it in.
You're in the rough.
I'll bring
You're
it
in
in.
the rough. You're fine now.
It floats pretty well.
Yeah. Just take your time.
Beautiful, man.
Good landing.
Yeah.
Yay.
All right, and how long have you been flying now, Preston? 2 years?
About 2 years.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
So you're gonna get one?
Well, I've got, remember, a dozen I'm trying to get rid of. I ain't got enough space already.
Yeah, the wing comes off similar to the Easy, so there's 2 clips on the...
Yeah, I saw those on there. I wasn't sure if that's what that was for or not.
Yeah. It was a little tough the first time we did it. We had to... you had to trim the inside of the plastic a little bit so you could get it. The pins on the...
I'm sorry.
to hold the wing on.
Battery scoots way back there, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, we had problems with the bolt,
Uh-huh.
and it was like a key on the inside. One of those things you go through. Anyway,
Right.
I had to trim on the inside of the airplane with a razor blade,
To fit
Yeah.
all the way
and
out.
I got the rough garbage out. There was
So
some-
G-44 from
yeah,
Flight Test, yeah.
Flite
Really happy with
Test.
Yeah.
Very nice, man. And this is their first full foamer?
Yeah.
This is their first P&P model.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice job, Preston.
Yeah, thank you.